because you were already with KAPS with elite expertise, why did you choose again elite expertise for your Australian intern, pharmacy written and oral exam?
Of course, there is no doubt. Like the trust and faith with the Arief sir and Harika ma'am with the light expertise. I think this is we do have the opportunity, and I think that kind of guidance. We are the lucky people that we have good people around us that gives us a guidance how to do and what you need to do exactly, rather than just looking there and that group and over that Facebook and just looking the screenshots. I think I never did that. I just do whatever they said from A to Z, that's all.
Hello everyone, this is Ashrita, admin manager of Elite Expertise. Expertise is an online education platform. This provides training for the overseas pharmacists to work as a registered pharmacist in Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, and Canada. Today, we are very happy. Why? Because today we have got our Australian Intern Oral Examination result, and yet again, Elite Expertise has got 95% of pass percentage. Today, in that students, we have got our Gagan Mahi, very own Gagan Mahi, who is a KAPS qualified, and she is a KAPS student of us, and now again an Intern Oral student as well. So, Gagan, a quick introduction about yourself, dear.
Hi, my name is Gagandeep. I'm from Punjab. So again, back to light expertise. Today we got our results from Intern Oral Exam, Pharmacists in Australia 2026. So I cleared that exam. I'm so excited, so happy. Just want to say thank to the elite expertise, Harika ma'am, Arief sir. Because I think it's really hard to overseas and getting everything from the basics. And I have done my bachelor's in 2019, such a big gap to touching again to the basics. So I think this journey cannot be possible without them. So I really want to thank you to them. I think that's the best decision I ever make. So, yeah.
So, Gagan, can you quickly tell me, dear, what's after KAPS exam or what after OPRA exam, what the students have to do?
I think after KAPS exam, because I was pretty fast because I did my KAPS exam when I just came in Australia. I started my master's and I started preparing for that. So I didn't waste the time, at all. So I think you need to be a little bit quick and smarter at that time. And I think everyone just saying that it's good to be find the pharmacy assistant job. But I think when you come as a student it's pretty hard to getting 24 hours work rights and finding it's a little bit concise your practice. So I think it's good if you can find the pharmacy assistant job that's going to help you to at least touch what's going on into the pharmacy, because I started my internship as fully fresh. I don't know which medication is sitting where. So as an intern, and it's my internship, I said, I can work as an assistant now. I can start it off a little from the basics, but it's good for my managers and they give me the opportunity. I'm so grateful to getting my pharmacy. So I think, so it's good to get the knowledge and touching the things every single day, what's going in the pharmacy, how's the pharmacy work. At least you get the idea before working as an intern. I think it's really important, and just apply it everywhere. I know I found my internship within 6 months during my final semesters of my master's, and I just calling everywhere, in whole Australia. I just get up and just picking the calling number. Hey, do you need an intern? I have a provisional license. I think the effort is really important. So you need to call them. Either they reply we were busy, we can't apply. Just email them again. I think if you call 100 of them, email 100 of them, at least you get one good feedback, yes, we need you. So I think the effort is really important. Don't give up, just continue and get up, and you can find your way.
Yeah. And how about your intern oral and written journey, dear? What, because you were already with KAPS with elite expertise, why did you choose again elite expertise for your Australian intern, pharmacy written and oral exam?
Of course, there is no doubt. Like the trust and faith with the Arief sir and Harika ma'am with the light expertise. I think this is we do have the opportunity, and I think that kind of guidance. We are the lucky people that we have good people around us that gives us a guidance how to do and what you need to do exactly, rather than just looking there and that group and over that Facebook and just looking the screenshots. I think I never did that. I just do whatever they said from A to Z. That's all, not less, not more. And it's really important to remember every single thing what they say. Like you need to start from the first lecture and remind it and repeat it and just go back again and do back study. I think which is really important. So whatever they say, I would say just go with that, whatever they say. I really want to say my loyalty, even because I didn't clear my oral exam in another attempt. But still, I trust them. I just go back and just, oh, this happened to me. You have to do that. So I think we did it again. And this is the trust and faith. And when you have the quality and when you know what exactly is going through and you can trust them. So, and I think it's the trust just be like the first time when I did the KAPS, I said, no, I need to go back here again. So yeah, I think without allied expertise, I can't do this. I can't do this. So yeah, I really want to say thank you.
I can see that all in your eyes, dear. So, what did you think? A student, if he or she is preparing for the oral exam, or if he just started their internship, what would you give the tips and tricks to them, dear?
I think when you start the internship, I think it's a good idea to start the classes from the first day, because every single day when you practice with the real life in the patients, at least you know what questions and what the drug it is and how to use it. Because in the oral exam, the confidence is also important. It's not about like we have the vast information, but they want exactly whatever they ask, So we have to do practice that will help us more. And it is as easy to revise every single lecture in daily life, in every single day of intern day. And I think this is the best way to do it. And it's not only about clearing the exam or something, because I know when it was unsuccessful me, and I just go back to my pharmacy again. I got the job already. So I just already go back to the pharmacy again. I started practicing again, whatever I just learned it in so many months, like in the classes and from my pharmacy. And I think it's really important to do that. And because like everyone's health is really important. We are the responsible people standing down there and they want the best service, and we can't cheat them like exam, like it's fine, it happened, because it's really important to give the quality and the right thing to the patients, because their life is into our hands. They trust us. So you have to stand by their expectations, right? So yeah, I think that is really important to start it from the basics and from the starting and practicing it in your real life. And it gives you confidence and it gives you knowledge. And if you have a knowledge, you got the confidence automatically. So this is what it is. So that's what I just learned. So like unsuccessful, it's not easy. Sometimes it's days to get.
Stepping stone, you're just a learning curve.
Yeah, and it's but you can realize that you become more stronger after reading and learning.
Correct.
And you become a beautiful pharmacist and a personality when you take exams.
Yeah.
So it's not only about exams, it's about the real life you're going to practice. And you have to be sure what you're doing, right?
Correct.
So that's what my expertise teaches every single one. So
it's
don't
not whatever.
Yeah,
I agree with you, because how much ever the ChatGPT or everything comes, it's the realness and the real patient scenarios. They're the real things. They're humans, right? We should have that thing, I feel. Isn't it?
Either you learn every single thing, because every single day when you practice, everyone has a different problem and you never think about that thing before because it's not written in the books. So you need to find it out what's wrong with them. And that will comes as a knowledge, and with the practice is not ChatGPT. And I think so, and I never use ChatGPT, thank God, in my profession. I'm a bit honest with my profession and not with the school and college time, I would say that. Yeah.
And what do you want to take away from your teachers, that is Arief sir and Harika ma'am? What would be the three takeaways from sir and ma'am?
I think to stay constant with your profession, that what they are doing, they are practicing every single day and just like telling us the real life stories and scenarios, how deep the practice is and how we do like mentally, like other cardiovascular system, central nervous system, what the drugs. So I think this is a beauty they will teach us in the real life and connecting in the classes, which you can see it is real. It's not be like anything which is automated and copy paste and the slides. Every single line has a meaning to do it. So I think that's what I'm just say connect. So as per Harika ma'am always said, you have to be promised with your profession, you have to be study end of your life. So I think that's what it is. And be sticks together to your profession, like reading everything something new and just try to be in the real life. So that's what I just taking. And other thing, I think I really wants to be like them. Like one day I want to searching the the sites where they're working and wants to be good pharmacist. I said I want to be the best pharmacist and people can know me that yeah, she has a knowledge. So I think yeah, Arief sir, that the way he teaching and the knowledge he has, I think it's hats off. And the creative ideas of Harika ma'am, how she just telling and teaching us everything in the stories, I think that's a big thing. So yeah, they always be like a heroes for us, like we wants to become like them.
That's so nice. That is sweet to hear. And
Oh, thank you.
one last question, dear, for this interview. Like, what do you think the three top USPs for elite expertise that people should join? Why they have to join elite expertise? It's because we know that we give 300 plus hours of lecture. You'll have a real scenarios. You'll have everything real sense in the sense you'll have a very good
So
base.
many years, yeah.
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 Rather than this, what would be the top three things?
I think the topper thing I would say with the elite expertise, that is the Harika ma'am and the Arief sir. So if they are there, you have to be there. And this is the best because I know from the CAPS, like from 2022 actually, and this is 2026, it's been like 4 years now. So I think the elite expertise always gives the quality and gives you the concise and conceptual basis information rather than the big notes like filling like you just be doing like that. I think that is also important because they know the just telling you from the basics from the first thing. I think I can't get this information from anyone. So like I coming from like I know so many people, then I just getting back to this thing. So I said no, I need to be go there because I'm getting every single thing easily and within 3 months. And like getting up again and just like listening their recorded lecture, live lectures, and within 2 3 I would say like 3 or 4 times in a week and doing the live lectures. But those 3 hours is not be like a nonsense, like wasting the time. They gives the quality in every 5 minutes, which is so crucial, which is so important. So I think that makes you more confident and you know more about the drugs. And I would say like internship periods is such a quality time, and it's be like utilizing the quality work, how the medications work. And if you have at the back the light expertise that gives you the information easily, then you can more understand, you can utilize it, right? So that's what it is. So I think yeah, so the light expertise is best, there's no doubt about that.
Thank you very much, Gagan. Just a few days to go to be seen you as a registered pharmacist. I wish you all the very best in your entire career. And stay tuned with Right Experience. Thank you so much, Gagan. Bye bye.
Thank you, Ashrita. Bye, take care.